Ever feel stuck trying to come up with the perfect business name and tagline? It is one of those things that can hold you back before you even get started. Coming up with a name and tagline feels overwhelming for most beginners. But watch how simple it can be when you let AI help. Here's the exact prompt I typed. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. And in seconds, ChatGPT is giving me a whole list of creative business names with short, catchy taglines. You could swap out the niche for anything: fitness, beauty, pets, or whatever you're building around. It is a fast way to break through that mental block and start moving forward. Of course, getting a name is just the first step. To actually build and grow your business, you will need a full plan. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Inside, you get 5 easy to follow episodes that walk you through setting up your AI powered business step by step without the tech headaches of funnels or websites. I'll link it in the description so you can check it out. And what's cool is you also unlock powerful bonuses like one-on-one AI strategy call with a pro, plus a copy and paste database of tested AI prompts that save you hours of trial and error. So if you're ready to stop overthinking and actually start building, the AI Business Builder Challenge is less than 20 bucks and could be the simplest next step you take. You'll find the link waiting for you in the description.